over the triads. So it says -8 plus -5. So these are both negatives, so it's same sign. So that means that we just add the two numbers, so 8 plus 5, and that gives us 13. And then we keep the sign of both the numbers, so we have -13 is our answer. If you wanted to use the scoreboard method, we have a positive team and a negative team. Negative team scored 8, negative team scored 5 more, so they are winning 13 by 13 points, so the negative team's winning by 13. So now find -3 plus -7. So this is different. These are different signs. So we subtract big minus small, or larger minus smaller. So 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And then we keep the sign of our bigger number, and our larger number was positive, so our answer is positive. Again, if you use the scoreboard method, negative team had 3 points, positive team had 7 points, and the positive team is winning by 4 points. All right, 3 more. So we have -2 plus 11. So these are different signs, so we subtract. So 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 11 was our larger number, and it's positive, so our answer is positive. 9 plus -10. So these are different signs. So again, we subtract. So 10 minus 9, so we take the positive versions and we subtract them. 10 minus 9 is 1, and our larger number is negative, so our answer must be negative. So we have -1 as our answer. These are additive inverses, so we know right away that these equal 0 because we have a positive and it's opposite. If you forgot that, you can see that they're different signs. So we subtract, so 31 minus 31 gives us 0. If you use the scoreboard method for those, you would have on the first one the positive and negative team. Positive team has 11, negative team has 2. The positive team is winning by 9 points. Again, we have the positive and negative team. Negative team has 10, positive team has 9. The negative team won by 1, sorry. And you can still use the scoreboard method on this one as well. So the positive team had 31, and I don't know why I put a 1 here. Sorry, that's negative team. The negative team had 31, so that's a tie game. Nobody won by any points, so that's just 0. So you can use either method. You're going to want to know these rules. These are super, super important. However, both methods work, so it doesn't hurt to know both. Again, on your homework, you can do either method. It does not matter. You can show your work on your showing work form using either method. All I ask is that you do have a showing work form, and this is how we show our work. And so now you're going to check the homework slide in Schoology, and you're going to see what your homework is and how to get there. You'll notice on your homework you do not have a calculator, and that is because the district wants you to know how to do this by hand, so without a calculator. So every school in the district, every 7th grade middle school team is not using a calculator for this. So you will have to do this by hand on your test as well as your quiz. So just know how to do it. You're going to need to know these rules in order to do that. And go ahead and go to your homework slide on Schoology to see what you're supposed to do next.